Welcome, and thank you for joining me. My name is Joe Baird of Joe's Crafty Hook and Joe's Crafty Hook Designs. In today's video tutorial, we are going to learn how to do the back post double crochet. As you can see here, I have already done a little piece, and these are your front post double crochet. So now when you make a scarf or a hat and you want your stitches to stand out, you turn your work, and this is what the back will look like after your front posts. So now you have to double crochet in these posts here. So what you need to do to start off is chain 3, be on the back side of your row, your scarf, your top or whatever, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to chain 3. That will count as a double crochet. Okay, so now we need to do the back post. So for left-handers, this is a left-hander instructional video. You go from left to right under that post, okay? You don't go from left to right under the post through the front, okay? You do not go on this side of the row. So what you need to do is you need to go behind this row, insert your hook on the left side of the post, go over the post, come out the back side, wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. I like to pinch mine, that way I can get a clean post and a clean stitch. So now that you've gone on the back post, you just complete the double crochet. So you wrap your yarn around the hook and draw through 2, wrap your yarn around and draw through 2. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook, go through the back side of the row, coming out on the left side of that next post. Go across that post, come out the other side, wrap your yarn around the hook and draw through, and then you can complete your double crochet. Wrap the yarn around your hook and draw it through 2 loops. Wrap the yarn around and draw through 2 loops. Okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook, go behind the row, left to right, across the post, come out the back side, wrap your yarn around and draw through, and then complete your double crochet. Okay, so if you flip it over, we're on the right side now, you will see that your posts are still going in the same way, in the same direction. And that's why it's important to do back post if you want to keep your front post as a long row, like I have done here. So as you can see on the back side, these are my back posts, double crochets that are in the cable stitches. So you want your posts to be all in a row and on one side. So again, I will show you a couple more. Finish up this row here. So wrap your yarn around the hook, go through the back side of the row, go across the post, wrap your yarn around and draw it through, and then complete your double crochet. Okay, wrap your yarn around the hook, go behind the post, behind the row, across the post, come out the other side, wrap your yarn around and bring it through, and complete your double crochet. Okay, and you can do it around the chain 3s. So wrap your yarn around the hook, go behind the row, across the post, wrap your yarn around and bring it through. Complete your double crochet. Okay, so this is what the back side of your project, whatever you're doing, is going to look like. You're going to see these stitches popping out here, but when you flip it over, all of your posts are going in the same direction, and that's the good thing about back post double crochet. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or you would like to see a video made of a pattern or a certain stitch, please put that in the comments sections or provide me a link to the pattern, and I will do my best to get that for you. You can follow me on my website, joescraftyhook.com, or any of the social media places that I am at Joe's Crafty Hook. Thank you for joining me. I will see you next time.